Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2024 Seat Arona? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2024 Seat Arona's engine compartment fuse box features blade-type fuses for easy replacement, clear labeling for quick identification, and robust waterproof housing for durability. It also includes high-current fuses for critical systems and may have spare fuses stored in designated slots. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2024 Seat Arona's instrument panel fuse box includes mini blade fuses for various electrical circuits, clear labeling for easy troubleshooting, and a user-friendly flip-open design. It may also contain relays for key functions and spare fuses in dedicated slots. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.